Silver is the biggest opportunity I have ever seen, bigger than real estate, bigger than anything else. And silver, as we're talking today, 2008, is about $15 an ounce. There's less than 10-year supply worth of silver on planet Earth. The difference between gold and silver is gold is hoarded, silver is consumed. Silver is an industrial precious metal. It is used in cell phones, telephones, computers, electric lights, everywhere. The more information age we become, the more we use silver. And what Michael is saying is that stockpile is at all-time lows, and they're not discovering much more.
We're seeing metal being bled off the London Metals Exchange at a record pace, so much so that it's the lowest amount of silver in the LBMA vault since they started recording amounts of silver in the vault.
Simple supply and demand situation. We've looked over the last 10 years, the major mining companies and producers, in a 10-year period, the reserves they're publishing have dropped almost 40%. So the material they're mining from the ground, they simply are not replacing, so the reserves are dropping.
If price were a determinant of demand, as it should be in a fairly traded market, silver would be $100 an ounce or higher. But the manipulation and the suppression of the silver market has been extreme, and demand has well outpaced the supply, and you wouldn't know it by the price. And that's what's masquerading really what the true reality of what this market's all about right now.
So since 2002, the M2 money supply is up 280%. So if you're looking for something to keep pace with the M2 money supply, I would encourage looking at something like, say, silver, which is up 280%.
Something I've never seen before. The commercial banks are net long right now in silver, and they've hoodwinked the managed money into going net short. Not only is metal being drained from the COMEXs, but you're seeing the most sophisticated investors in the world go net long in silver, which is something I haven't ever seen before. I think it portrays for much higher prices moving ahead, and probably tougher availability as the bars are being taken off of the exchange. Those bars are what actually makes the blanks that make the sovereign coins, which are getting harder to get to.
In 1980, it took 1,000 ounces of silver to buy a single-family median price home in the United States, and silver was not rare then. When you measure things with gold and silver, there is no inflation. Everything just travels inside of a valuation channel, going from overvalued to undervalued to overvalued to undervalued. That day will come again, but it's probably going to be less than 500 ounces. You want to buy a single-family median price home outright, no payments, no down payment, 100% cash flow, put $8,000 aside today. You're going to be able to do it in the future.
Silver.
It's just history repeating.
In silver.
Silver,
Don't hold cash.
Right.
Cash
Gold is good too, but it won't perform as well.
Is trash.
Exactly.
Repeat after me.
Cash is trash.
If you can understand that one, your whole paradigm will shift.